Welcome to the world of HVAC SEO, where your heating and cooling business can shine online. From seasonal strategies to local SEO tactics, we've got you covered. Dive into content marketing with blog posts, videos, and more to showcase your expertise. Measure success with key metrics like organic traffic and conversion rates. Learn from success stories like Cool Comfort HVAC, boosting service calls by 300%. Don't be left out in the cold. Let our specialized SEO services help you grow your business. Stay tuned for more digital marketing tips.